Surface dressing is a preventative maintenance approach that helps seal up the surface to prevent that ingress of water, so it stops the formation of potholes in the future. It also helps by providing a skid-resistant surface. The process involves pre-works where potholes and cracks are filled beforehand. This is usually done months in advance. Then on the day we come along and we prep any ironwork and sweep the road to make sure it's clean. We then come along and spray bitumen on the surface, which is a sticky substance that allows the chippings to bed in. This is followed by a roller. After this it can be easily trafficked by vehicles as long as they observe the 20-mile-an-hour speed limit. A few days after this, a sweeper comes along to pick up any loose chippings. All sites are selected based on asset needs. It's important we come in and deliver this sort of treatment before more costly repairs are needed.